Hi again. I'm Hayat and this is my YouTube channel, and today I have a very special guest with me. My cousin Aisha. That's right, my cousin. She doesn't have a YouTube account, but she does have a Roblox account. And today we will be playing Animal Hospital. I know, but I got some tips and I won't die this time because I have a real friend that will understand me. Less talking, more working, because I need that cushion. So let's join a server now. This is my cousin. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. Guys, we need to get until shift 10 at least. Okay, we're in the server.
10.
Who the hell is that?
Coffee. It's fine.
Don't drink it yet, you're wasting it.
Which color am I?
You're pink. And which color am I?
And your skin colory.
Sup? Sup? I have an appointment. Okay, let me just register you. I got him.
Why is she back? Okay. Wait a minute, you're not pink. Is that I'm panicking. I just one sanity. And I'll have 30. Thank you.
No, I got him. What
are you doing? And then rule number 1. There's so many BBO. Okay, I served him, so I have to treat him.
Alright.
Do. Thanks. Hey, you crossed over me.
Okay, guys, we're actually good. I'm gonna wait for the coffee to brew, and then I'm gonna come back. We don't really have anything. Wait, what do you mean? How do I have it in? I don't get. What do we do with it? What should we do with it? I don't get it. Doctor What the hell?
I see you.
Why did you just say the doctor's handsome?
I don't know.
You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Hallow.
Hello.
Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Thanks. Excellent. Yes.
We're not poor. I want to get money. Get that thing out of my face. Get that thing out of my face.
I'm the best worker. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. No service? What kind of face is this? Another one is coming.
And how do you say? Wish. Join me.
I think he's okay.
He's not okay.
No. He's not okay.
He's.
What is that sound? What did he do?
There's like a tall guy. I'm that tall. Appointment. Why do we keep losing sanity?
Because we have job stress because of them.
I would love you too, but there was only patient.
Guys, I'm gonna come back when I'm at least at shift 4, okay? Because this is too much. So I was doing some work. I was inspecting this. I was analyzing this. I was checking in a patient, taking their photo, processing the results. I was waiting. I was getting some syrup. I got employee of the day. And then I saw these 2 anomalies were like doing something with the shutters. He broke the glass and that photo did not look like. I fixed some cameras and patient fainted on me, so I had to save them. I'm very proud of that. Yeah. And then I accidentally rejected a patient, and then I saw these eyes on the floor, and then someone made a death ritual, and I had to extinguish the candles, and I had to do it alone because Asha, my cousin, she had low sanity and she couldn't do this. Yeah, so I lost a lot of sanity when doing this, but I guess the patient is okay, so I guess it was worth it. Then I saw this keyhole, and then the most random guy took her coffee, and then I died. I disconnected, but I just died. So then everything fell apart because me and Asha couldn't join in the same game anymore. And yeah, then I saw this peanut guy. I acted like I was gonna serve him, but I didn't even want to play anymore. So yeah, I guess this is the end of the video, but please give me more tips. I really didn't understand the last tips, but yeah, I don't care if you want to check in as a patient. Just give me tips. So yeah, I guess this was the end of the video. Bye, Pookies.